Assalamu alaikum. My dear students of session 19 to 20, all of you are welcome to my class. Today, I will take a class, a very important class for you. This is for the students of second year, that means the students of session 2019 to 2000. I will take a class from English, from your lesson English for today, English first paper, unit number 12 and lesson number 1. Now, let's go to our discussion, go to our class. It's a very important class for you. Let's go to class. Now, what do you see on the screen? This is a picture. This is a picture of a river. There are many boats are plying here and there. This is the bank of the river. There are many people, huge couple, huge crowd are gathering there. But there is a water. You can see on the screen. It's a nice scene. Welcome to my lesson. Welcome to my online class. You are welcome. Now, introduction. I am Muhammad Shah Alam, lecturer in English, Pastor Begum Anwara Degree College, Arai Hajar, Narayanganj. Your unit number 12, Environment and Nature, lesson 1, topic water, water everywhere, time 40 minutes. You can see another picture on the screen. There are some boards, lunch, water, some garbage. The bank of the river, you can see. What is this? Let's see some pictures. We will see some picture from the very beginning of the lesson. Now, the second one, there you can see 4 pictures. What kind of pictures you can see on the screen? That is, there is a picture, some plastic and other garbages seen in the picture. There are water. There is water, a boatman is flying, there is garbage, many garbage, huge garbage here. There is also a picture, you can see there are many garbage dumped in the bank of the river. There are water are polluting. This is also a nice scene. You can see the present condition of the river in Bangladesh. That is, you can see the building of the city are here, and here the bank, and there are water. There is water. You can see the water. What is the condition of our river? Seeing the picture, you can imagine very clearly. Then you can see another picture. What is this? The caption, different. There another picture you can see. There is also four pictures are there. Now you can see some chemical box, that means drum. Drums are washing in the water in the river beside our Dhaka city. There is also picture, tannery picture. The waste of tannery industries are throwing there. This is a picture, a woman, you can see on the screen, a woman is throwing waste into the river. Beside there is a boat, you can see the water, the color of the water you can see. There is also a nice scene you can see on the screen. That is two men are washing clothes in the river, in the water of the river. They are polluting. All of 4 pictures you can see the water is polluting. Human being polluting the river water. This is the caption. Then another 4 picture you can see is dangerous, very dangerous for our water, for our river. You can see in the first picture, you can see some water is coming to the or going to the river and mixing with the river water. This is polluted water, that means mixing chemical mixing or chemical mixed water is going to the river. You can see another picture. This is also a picture of going polluted water into our river. You can see very nice and clearly you can see there is launch water, the river bank you can see, and another picture you can see the water, the polluted water, another color of water is coming to the river water and mixing with the water. Another picture you can see a small that means river. You can see a small river or a canal. You can see a canal is situated there, and there is water going to our river. These are the picture caption. You can see industrial disposals mixing with the river water. You can see very clearly. Now another picture you can see, a picture, very dangerous scene. It is a very dangerous scene. Chemical mixing water, chemical mixed water, that is industrial chemical mixed. A scene of industrial chemical disposal. There is it's very dangerous. It's a very harmful for our river. You can see. Next time, another picture. You can see colored water. That means mixing with chemical, being coloring the water is coming down to the river water and mixing with them with the water and polluting the whole water. There is a scene in box. Then a man is standing, his toes are coloring with the chemical water. Toxic waste flowing into the river from industrial units. Another 4th picture, color of water. You can see very easily, you can understand very easily. That is 4 picture, color of the water. You can see color is red or blue colored. It's turned into that means red color with chemical mixed water mixing with the river water. Another scene you can see, there is you can see like sea water. You can see the another color, that means color of violet color. You can see water turn into violet color with pollution. There is a color you can see, black. Black, that means a gray color. The water turn into gray color with the pollution. Then present color of the Buriganga river water. This is the picture of present color of Buriganga picture. Another picture you can see is the present condition of Dhaka city area. That means the river Buriganga, the lands are here. That means Sadarghat. I think it is the scene of Sadarghat. You can see, we can see available the scenery in different medias, papers, print medias, everywhere, and some books also. We can see the picture, present and real picture of the Buriganga river water. Real, ekdam, yeah, real. This present and real picture of the Buriganga river water. Now, we have to do something to prevent our water, prevent our rivers from the pollution. So we can do such kind of things. Human chain, that is, human chain here was arranged by different kind of people. They are protesting against the pollution. There is also a picture you can see. They are doing very nice thing. That is, they are protesting. They raise their voice against water pollution of Buriganga river. There is another scene, two picture. This is the picture of clean and clear atmosphere of the river. It should be in our river. It should be, this condition should be in our river. আমাদের নদীর মধ্যে এই ইয়েটা হওয়া উচিত. Another picture you can see here also. You can see the picture of Buriganga. It was before. The scene was before. You can compare with that pictures you have seen in previous slides. That is, these two picture are real picture. It's not real picture in present time. It was the picture. This picture were the picture of before, when the river was very active without pollution. Next time, human chain against river pollution and result of it. If we raise our voice against the pollution, and the result will be that our river will be pollution free. Have you understood? I think you can understand. Now, today's topic is from unit 2, lesson 1. It should be lesson 1. It's a mistake. Water everywhere. Water everywhere. Now we will see a map of Buriganga. Where is Buriganga situated? How is it flowing? This is Dhaka city. This is the river Buriganga. This is the river Buriganga. You can see in the map that is the area of Buriganga river. Now you can see Dhaka, and this red color you can see. There is very dangerous area for the river. This is also very dangerous area for the river. There is there are pollution. This pollutions are seen there. Now, map of Buriganga river. Then we will see Learning outcomes. What is our learning outcomes? We will see what we'll learn. What will we learn in the picture? Now you can see learning outcomes by the end of the lesson you will be able to talk about the pictures. I have shown you some pictures and you will be able to talk something. You will be able to understand something seeing the picture. Number 2b, read the text and find out the correct answer. You will get some question after the lesson, then you will find out the answer. Number C, know the present environment of our water. তাহলে you will read know the present environment of our water. You will know the present condition, present environment of our water, that means river water. What is the condition? What is the present condition of water in the river? Able to know some word meanings. You will be able to know some word meanings. Get some important information of Buriganga river. You will be able to get some important information about Buriganga river. Now, number F, the importance of water in our life. It's how many important the water, clean water in our life, you will be able to know after learning the passage. Write a paragraph about water. I think you have memorized many times the paragraph water, about water. But after going through the text, you will be able to write a paragraph about water. Then vocabs, we will see some vocabs, that means vocabulary. We will be able to, if we know the word meanings of some words, that will be helpful to you to learn, to go through the text. Number 1, source. Source is a word. It means origin, base, basis, source. That means river is the source of our water. That means you can say river is one of the sources of water. Pang, agony, distress, torment, pang. I am in a pang condition. You can say that means torment condition. That dying, that means vanishing, disappearing, vanishing, disappearing, vanishing, disappear. That means same word you can see. That is perpetual, continuous, ceaseless, endless, which has not end. Stench, that means order, that means we can tolerate stench, order. Tributary, that means brooklet or river. It's a small river or big canal, you can say tributary. It's a branch of a big river. Marveled, that means amazed, surprised, overwhelmed. These are the meanings of the word. That means we can surprised with the hot news. If we get any hot news, we will surprised. Surprise, that is the word. Tide, that means stream. Tide, that means stream. Chronic, unending, ceaseless, which has no end, which has not end, endless, ceaseless, bounty, reward. That means present, we can say reward, gift. The reward is the best word, gift you can say. Next, now let's go to the text. We will go to text now. In the text you can